Hello and welcome to SDH Lubuklinggau News. My name is Leslie and I will be accompanying you to the next 10 minutes forward. Our story today is about thousands affected by drought in Central Java without permanent solution. At least 50,000 residents living in 31 villages across 7 districts in Wonogiri, Central Java have been affected by drought since July 2018, according to authorities, which predict that the shortage will last until October 2018. Wonogiri Region Joko Jekek Sutopo said that residents had tried to survive the drought by buying water for up to 200,000 rupiah per water tank, or around 6,000 liters. Jekek further said a limited budget had hampered the administration plan to solve the water crisis once and for all. The agency required at least 165 billion rupiah to build a better system, including pumping water from 100 existing groundwater sources to distributing the resident houses. Wonogiri Regency allocated only 2 billion rupiah this year to meet the resident water needs. Water crisis is a recurring theme in the region, especially during a prolonged dry season. The water crisis should be addressed permanently to prevent it from recurring, Jekek said. Wonogiri Disaster Mitigation Agency head Bambang Haryanto Eko Jekek statement saying at least 488 tanks of clean water worth 81 million rupiah we are need daily to meet the needs of 50,000 residents. That's all the news today. Finally, I am Leslie and all crew of SDH Lubuklinggau News say thank you very much and have a wonderful day. See you next time and bye bye. The suggestion is install or instant hot water heater on your sink. My advice is avoid flushing the toilet aimlessly. You should avoid letting the water run while brushing your teeth. Wash your face or shower. You ought to shower to catch excess water for watering plant. You ought to check your well pump periodically. If the automatic pump turns on and off while water is not being used, you have a leak. My suggestion is cover pool and spas to reduce evaporation of water. You should operate automatic clothes washer only when they are fully loaded, or set the water level for the size of your load. Maybe you should try use a commercial car wash that recycles water. My suggestion is if you wash your own car, use a shut-off nozzle that can be adjusted down to fine spray on your hose.